25-23, sobrang dikit nung ating second set. It ended on a violation from Jaja Santiago, and the NU fans were not happy with that. But that was the correct call.
Well, yun nga kasi wala namang kasama dun si Jaja. Mag-isa lang siya. But again, yung attack points lang talaga ng NU, masyadong mababa. Mas sinasabi natin yan dahil ine-expect natin more from them.
Right.
And also yung block points, di ba? Lalo na nga na nag-adjust sila na si Dindi na nga ang open hitter
Ayan
nila.
na, Gia Morado, sino pa ba nandyan? Tumayo na si Mitch Morente. Just a few members of the crowd. Yeah, just the crowd. Mr. Larry Henares who's also here.
Oh, laging nandito.
Oh, big fan of the Shakey's Feeling. Maraming salamat.
Nakakatuwa again. Thank you, fans. Thank you. Yung lalo na yung mula simula, nandun na.
Yes.
Nanunood.
And the third set now begins. Pons, Jen Reyes, Ruby. Unang punto sa inyo.
Tama, and Dindin Santiago now with 9 points. Pablo with 6 and Santiago Jaja with only 3. Yun ang hinahanap natin.
Pinag-usapan natin yun.
Yung mga atake. Yan
Jaja needs to score more. Kung nakaka-18 points si Jaja against sino ba kalaban? La India. Naka 3 points lang siya rito against FE so far.
So sa kabila naman, it's Pons. So as 10 points, Dakis with 9, Gonzaga with 7.
Pons now with 11 points after that attack. And a service ace for Remy Palma. Doon pa naman yung medyo madilim yung ilaw sa mga dulo-dulo ng court.
Ito si Remy para yan ang tinarget.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. And again, there's commotion continues behind the Ateneo Lady Eagles where they're there. May Tajima, Eliza Valdez, nandun sila lahat sa likod. At na-starstruck yata si Remy Palma.
Hindi. Ikaw na naman yan.
Dumating na kasi si Ariel Patnongon at saka ito si Amy Ahumero. Ayan. Makikita ulit natin sila mamaya. Si Dende nagtatago katabi ni Ella Desos. Yung dalawang pilay. Kailangan maupo.
Sakit mo naman, pilay.
Hindi talaga. That's, ano ba?
Injured?
May pilay, injured. Pareho rin naman yung Tagalog. Anong gusto mo sa Tagalog? May karamdaman. Din into the net.
Yung porsyento lang, percentage-wise, di ba, yung NU, parang nandun sila dun sa risk. Mas malaki yung risk na nangyayari dun sa parte nila.
Well, now serving is Bernadette Pons. That one goes wide. So yung ilaw na apektuhan na actually yung serving. And is it just me or is it getting darker? Isa pa yun.
Hindi naman.
Myla Pablo now to serve. Tied at 3. Papa.
Oh, and
that's a double violation.
Double violation. Masyado na kasi malapit sa net. Pero inaasahan niya kasi may lalawit na kamay doon.
Nakalawit na nga talaga yung kamay ni Dindin doon. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine-made. Served by Pablo once again. NU protecting a 1-point lead. Third set, Dakis airborne. Here's De Leon across. Dindin. Kinuha niya na yung Pons. Papa. Gonzaga across. Reyes. De Leon. Back set. Aganon. Gonzaga. Ginamit ang kamay ni Dindin.
Ayan na yung veteran move. Nakita niya si Dindin Santiago. Nag-iisa. So, use that off the block point.
Kitang-kita natin dito. Sabi ni Gonzaga, delikado kung ito. Pinadaan niya talaga doon.
Swipe di ba? Hindi naman tinalo.
Pero 1 inch to the left or to the right, block point yun ni Dindin.
Alam naman natin si Dindin.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Dindin, opensa, malakas.
And that goes long. Ayun yung mga unforced errors ng NU. Just too many also.
Right. I believe the air conditioning is off. Ngayon, dito sa ating venue sa San Juan Arena. Dahil yata kay Mark Zambrano.
Ikaw talaga. Except you. Kaya ako naman laging you.
Okay lang yung ako. Kaya pasa naman ako, pasa. 3 touches naman ang volleyball, di ba? Dindin. And Papa tries to get that. Reyes, De Leon, back set. Agano. Nakakapag si Rachel.
And that was perfect timing for Rachel Adakis.
And now FU with a 2-point lead. Palitan na tao. Ivy Perez will replace Ruby De Leon this time very early
in the third set. With obviously a set, and you need to stay on in this match.
Well, now 6-4.
Ano, ang dami pa rin nagtitweet sa'yo.
19 sabay-sabay ang pumapasok at a time, ha? Oh! Dindin!
O, ayan na. Galit na si Ate Dindin.
Si MVP, nagparamdam na.
At what a way dun sa paramdam. Napakalakas. Solid hit from Dindin Santiago. Ako nga di ko nababasa. Narinig ko lang kwento sa'yo eh.
Ay, ng ano?
Mga kwento.
Ikaw talaga. Sa akin ka pa nakikichase. Biso po, lumalabas
Oh,
na
and
si
Rachel.
Soso. That's a great catch shot from Rachel.
That's right. Rachel Adakis with the cross-court hit. A very sharp cross-court hit. Eh, ano ba, si Jovelyn tsaka si Rachel, ano sila, no? Take turns. Diba?
Right.
Dito sa game na to, kanina nagsimula si Rachel, tapos si Gonzaga. Yung nag-step up sila, basta needed.
Oh, Desiree Dadang.
There you go, Dadang. Yan ang kailangan nila talaga. Yung mga puntos na galing kila Dadang, Aganon.
Pero again, it starts with a good reception.
Yes,
Doon
correct.
talaga yon.
And yung errors nila, dapat hindi na nila tulungan pa ang FEU dun sa mga errors na they're committing in this game.
Rachel nakabuelo na naman, and Rachel uses the hands of Perez that time to score. So FEU has taken a 2-point lead here in the third set. Kami po'y magbabalik. Good to see you, ladies and gentlemen. Andre Mullacanda with the latest from the sidelines.
Thanks to it's a must-win set for the NU Lady Bulldogs, and even if they're down 2 sets, Coach Dong tried to keep the huddle very positive and very light. Ang sabi nga niya, hindi pa tapos ang laban. We need to commit to win, at sa bawat galaw sa loob ng court, dapat may commitment at may intensyon makapuntos. Now for the Lady Tamaraws, the motivation is definitely very clear, and that is to make history by winning a championship in the Shakey's V-League. Ayon nga sa reinforcement sa Sidakis at Gonzaga, ini-encourage lang nila ang kanilang team, telling them to focus even more, lalong-lalo na sa third set. Ang sabi nila, huwag matakot pumalo dahil kahit malalaki ang blocker ng kalaban, may coverage sakaling mablock. Noel and Mozzie?
Well, JR chasing history tungkol po na ng FEU. And they're in a good position to get it done today. Perez, Jaja, ado si Agno, Papa, Palma, Reyes, Perez, Pablo, Dakis, Gonzaga, Pons,
Gisingin mo na lang ako,
Supalpal na inabot niya doon kay Ivy Perez.
Ganito ang nangyari buong laro, di ba? Ang dami natin very long rallies.
Right.
You take a look at this last one. Pinalik naman ng very tall Ivy Perez at taller Jaja Santiago.
Ngayon, ito si Dindin. With Mikasa being the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Good reception there. Here is Pons. Ivy Perez. Back row attack. Galing kay Dindin. Ready naman si Gonzaga. Gonzaga tries to drop it. Reyes, iniangat para dito kay Jaja. Papa, running attack. Palma, cross court.
Cross court na naman ang nakapatay. Ayun na, si Coach Dong, kanina pa kasi niya nire-remind yung cross court na yan. Nakakarami na ang Lady Dams.
Kahit kanina yung isang opportunity para kay Jaja na pumalo. Mababa na naman yung set.
Continue now with 3 attack points. FEU having 5. Si Reyes at si Agnon, tig-5 sa digs dito sa set na to. So, hindi rin sila masyado nakakuha ng maraming bola.
Evening each other out. Pablo turned back. Reyes, binuhay. Dindin galing sa likod. Nandun si Agno. Combination play. Bernadette Pons.
And si Pons, hindi man lang gumamit ng off the block. Talagang challenge the blockers, the 2 tall blockers of NU.
And that shot will miss coming from Myla Pablo. So ang score na po natin, FEU 11, NU 8. Dito po sa ating third set. Once again, Noel Zarate kasama si Mozzie Lovena and Andre Mullacanda live here on GMA News TV.
Okay. Sabi nga ng Davao Agilas daw nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Ayun.
Ayan, bumalik na kami. Request nyo eh.
Ay, batiin natin mamaya.
Alas sa amin eh.
Oo, yung mga taga Davao lang pala magpapabuhay sa coverage natin. Here's Jovelyn Gonzaga and she will miss. Oh, of course, Coach Shane Alagao.
Yes, Coach Ramil.
We again had technical difficulty dahil sa isang power fluctuation po dito sa ating venue. But we are back live
We
now.
are back. We are definitely back.
So mukhang yung air conditioning natin hindi pa restored dito po sa San Juan Arena. Ivy Perez with a sharp serve. Received there by Tin Agno. Bernadette Pons, ipamimigay. And here's a Ganon sending it across. Myla Pablo. Binuhay ni Papa. Pons. Dakis galing sa likod. Nandun si Jen Reyes. Backset ngayon. Ganon.
Ganon. Ito yung iniintay ko. Diba? Sa side ng NU na gumana rin. Para just to set the tone.
Walang katanungan dito. That 10-minute or more lull. Sino ang nakinabang doon at sino ang nadehado doon?
Tama.
Looks like NU was able to benefit from that break. Eto ngayon si Ivy Perez. That's out.
Yan yung mga sayang lang, diba? Kanina pa natin sinasabi sa inyo yung mga unforced errors nila sa atake,
Right.
sa servisyo.
Well, eto ngayon si Remy Palma, Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine made. And Palma with a good serve. Perez hahabulin, crossing violation. It appears, yes, crossing on Ivy Perez.
So, error na naman. Something that NU, they have to address those unforced errors. Hindi pwede, sayang.
Now serving, Remy Palma once again. Malakas.
Eto naman, buti na lang sa kabila.
Nasa
Hindi naman
na
ang sinagot
naman.
ni FEU.
Nasa likod na naman niya si Eliza Valdez.
Pero lamang pa rin ang FEU ng dalawang puntos.
Pero still, you cannot lapse into errors also if NU is lapsing into
Right.
errors.
Tsaka yung sabi mo nga medyo nagkalal tayo. So baka, alam mo yung momentum.
Oh, that's good.
Maagaw na NU and it clipped the line, definitely. Jaja gets a point.
So isa na lang po ang abante rito ng FEU.
May nagsabi nga, Carlo Lastimosa in the house daw.